And Neil deGrasse Tyson joins us now from New York ahead of his next speaking tour of Australia in July. His latest book is called Astrophysics for People in a Hurry. Welcome to Lateline. Astrophysics for People in a Hurry sounds like you were trying to be polite when you just could have called it Astrophysics who are very dummies. And I got the distinct impression while I was reading it that while you say you've written it to help improve people's scientific literacy, it's not really an altruistic endeavour. You want to almost feel a responsibility to make people blow your mind about science. It is an incredibly vexing issue in this country as well as in yours. We have parliamentarians who are very vocal in denying and calling scientists who deal in this issue alarmists. How do you personally counteract the people who would say you and others in the scientific community are alarmists? What is the single blow your mind fact that you throw back at them to help dispel any kind of doubts?
The lion wants to chase you and then eat you. They're good for that.
Okay, so David Powell has sent us a video question along these same lines. Let's take a look.
The majority of the people out on this planet believe that the Earth is still a globe. I've recently encountered someone who believes it's flat. It's created by NASA as a conspiracy and a cover-up. And all the images we see of the universe are created by CGI. My question is, why do these people exist? And can you please show them some light? Thank you.
So, can you shed some light?
Yeah, I just say, you know, if you gained a few pounds last week, do you want to repeal the law of gravity because you disagree with the consequences of it?
From Jonathan Russell, who writes to us via Facebook. How do we band together to save ourselves in a world of misinformation, disagreement and plain disregard without undermining democracy?
Yeah, I think the internet, when Einstein wrote down E equals mc squared.
Oh, I'm not sure if we've got it.
The lion wants to chase you and then eat you.
Okay, another video question. This one from Richard Lobb.
Hello Neil, my name is Richard Lobb. My question for you today is, if matter and antimatter were produced at equal rates at the beginning of the universe, could these antiparticles still exist today? And if so, what sort of effect could they be having on our current universe? Thank you.
Matter and antimatter.
Great question. The lion wants to chase you and then eat you, just so you know. About antimatter, the early universe, all our understanding of the early universe, we know that they annihilated. Matter and antimatter, when they get together, they annihilate and they make energy. But we know it happened. The early universe, all our understanding of the early universe through the universe, that is the leftovers of what was once matter annihilating with antimatter.
Matter and antimatter.
Great question.
I have one more that I can ask you very briefly, and it's from Xavier Andrews, who sent us a video question.
Matter annihilating with antimatter. Great question. Einstein wrote down E equals mc squared.
Oh, I'm not sure if we've got it. Here we go.
Just wondering, do you think that we are alone in the Milky Way galaxy? Or could there be other life? Thank you.
We have only brief time.
Yeah.
Are we alone?
So right now we
have 3,000 exoplanets.
It would be inexcusably egocentric to think that we are alone in the universe.
Neil deGrasse Tyson, I really am disappointed. I thank you so much for no obligation to make astrophysics sense to you.